G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Parravans at Windsor, and I've got some terrific vans to show you, and this is one of them here. It's a 15-foot New Age Joey, and it's sensational because it has so many of the features of a big van, and yet it's 15 foot. It even has an ensuite. So come and let me show you around. So some of the features, you've got a full-length boot. That's really good. Then you've got the breakaway system. You've got mesh tray here. Really good for holding your silage hoses and whatever. That's excellent, maybe even some timber. And then you've got 2 gas bottles, plus when you come around here, you've got a terrific awning. So this is great. You've got a full awning here with a privacy screen and anti-flap kit. Coming around, you've got the picnic table, you've got TV aerial, 240 in, 12 volt. It's all there. And when you come around here, apart from the lighting there, you've got great lighting at the rear and another awning. That's right, 2 awnings. And you've even got independent suspension. Now I told you there's so many features. It's a 15-foot van, but so many features just like a big van, including a real ensuite. That's a shower, that's a toilet, full genuine ensuite. Coming through here, you've got sound system, massive window, tri-fold table. How good's that with the cafe dining? Really good. Coming around here, you've got air conditioning as well. You've got a Beaut bed. The bed is a storage bed, so that lifts up tons of storage, lots of cabinet spaces, wardrobes of course. Over here, the kitchen area, where you've got 3 gas burners and 1 electric burner, plus the microwave, Beaut sink, fridge, so much storage, so much light. It's a beauty. Every used caravan from Parravans at Windsor is fully workshop tested, including the wheel bearings and the appliances. You even get a pig slip, and then you get a full comprehensive handover. For you to find out more, just email them or give them a call. Parravans at Windsor.